Hey, what's going on, everybody? Seth Johnson here with PowerEliteTeam.com. This video is in response to a subscriber of mine who's really struggling with creating a squeeze page, and which I understand that it can be definitely be daunting. Thinking about, oh, I have to build a squeeze page or a capture page for my network marketing business, and I do not know code. I don't know HTML. I don't know CSS. I don't know how to build that. Well, the beauty of the internet now is that we don't have to know code. We don't have to know any of the technical stuff because they are squeeze page builders, where you can basically build a squeeze page, a highly converting squeeze page, to capture your leads on in about 5 minutes. Now, the one that I like to use is one I'm sure that you might be familiar with. Maybe you are, maybe you're not, but it's leadpages.net. So you just type in leadpages.net, go over here. I'll probably put a link below this video as well for lead pages. But this would be the home page, or this would be their sales page. So you just go through and you can watch a little demo, see some of the functionality with lead pages, but I'll let you go through that on your own time. Whenever you join up with lead pages, you can go over here somewhere it says get lead pages, but when you join up, your back office will look similar to this. Okay, remember, with lead pages and a lot of the other squeeze page builders out there, you integrate your email autoresponder whenever you join up. So whenever somebody leaves their email address and on your squeeze page or on your page, they're automatically integrated into your follow-up sequence or to your list. Okay, that doesn't make sense to you right now, don't worry about it. That's not what this video is about. It's going to be about building a squeeze page to capture leads. All right, with lead pages, what I like is you can actually build your whole funnel inside of lead pages. Okay, they have sales pages, opt-in pages, which are squeeze pages, webinar pages, thank you pages, upsell pages, pre-cart pages, launch pages, custom. There's a ton of different templates. So realistically, you can create your whole sales funnel with just this one service. All right, so let's go ahead and build a squeeze page real quick. Click on opt-in pages, which are the same thing as capture squeeze pages. Really neat functionality with lead pages is you can, instead of having to do testing to see which squeeze page is converting the highest, lead pages gathers all the information for you and lets you know which squeeze pages are converting, or their best converting pages. All right, so you click on this button, and then these top ones are their highest converting squeeze pages. So I'm assuming that they gather it from, it's either their own testing or maybe they take a pool from all their customers to see which ones are converting the highest. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different templates to choose from. They're all fully customizable. All right, I'm just going to scroll through and let you have a look at them. So a bunch to choose from. Now, I'm just going to choose a real basic one real quick to build this page out for you. We'll just do this basic center squeeze page. All these templates have little tutorials that you can watch if you get stuck, but again, as you're building it, it's really self-explanatory. And you can see that they're mobile responsive, which is a really good feature, since about 55% of your traffic would probably come from a mobile device. And that's a number that I got from some of the social media traffic that I've been testing. It's almost 55% comes from a mobile device. But anyway, let's go in and build a squeeze page real quick. And let's just assume that I'm trying to recruit people into my MLM, and I'm giving away a free video. Let's go with free video on how to get 25 leads a day with 25 free leads a day. Let's just say that. All right, so real quick, the first thing I want to do is name my page for this tutorial. I'm just going to name it Test Seth 10. As you can see, this will be your URL. So this will be the link that you send out. Okay, this will be the link that you want to put in front of your visitors. All right, when you join up with lead pages, for my example, it says Seth Johnson right here. This would probably be your name or whatever name you choose, your company name. Okay. Real quick, you can put in SEO tags for search engine optimization reasons. I don't ever use this personally. Tracking codes, this is how you can track. You can put a Facebook conversion pixel in here, your Google Analytics, however you wanted to track, to see what kind of conversions you're getting and where it's coming from. Exit pop-up, you can use exit pop-up here, and you can customize this right here. If you want to send them to another offer, this is where you put the URL for the redirect. All right. So we're just going to leave that off. The exit pop-up, done. Let's go to the next lead magnet. You don't need to concern yourself with this now. Whenever you join up, I'll let you go through that. Conversion goal, like I was saying earlier, if you wanted to build out your whole funnel inside of lead pages, you can do that. So you have your squeeze page here, and you can direct them to another page that you've already set up, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and build this thing out. As you can see, this background actually converts pretty well, believe it or not. I've actually used this background on some of my offers, and pretty high conversion. But for this video, let's go ahead and change the background. You can upload all these images from your computer and have them back here in your back office to use. So let's just grab one of these that I've uploaded from my computer. I'll just grab this one. It says recommended size. It actually changes the size for you. So after you've uploaded, press done, and there you go. We have a new background. Headline. You can actually, if you wanted to leave this headline box up here, you can leave it, or you can take it off by clicking on this eye. You can hide it. All right. So we'll just leave it on, and then if you wanted to edit this, let's say that I'm giving away a free video, so I'll just click edit. I'll just change this report to video and leave it as is, and you can change all the color up here in the top left. So, but for time, let's just leave it as is. Subheadline, this is what's in quotations right here. Again, for some reason, if you wanted to take it out, you could, but let's just edit it. So we'll hover over it, click on edit, and let's see, what did I say I was giving away? Free video reveals how to get 25 plus leads a day for free. I don't know. Again, whatever you would be offering on the next page after they opt in, that's what your copy needs to say here. Again, you can change the color going up here. You can change the style. If you want to change the font, you can change that as well. All right. This next little place, the description, you want to hide it, you can click on the eye and hide it. Let's just edit it. Let's say enter your email address to watch this free video, since that's what I'm giving away, a video. To watch free video. There you go, good to go. Going on down, button text. Now, since we're not giving away a report, we're giving away a video, I'll just put watch video here. Watch free video. I'm just gonna watch free video now. And this right here, you have an option. You can either have show opt-in form or go straight to the URL. Okay. You definitely want to show the opt-in form, so we do want to collect our lead, but for some reason, if you want to send them straight over to the offer, which I don't know why you'd want to do that since we're trying to collect leads, but you would go to offer, and then you would type in the offer URL right here. Okay. Let's go back to show opt-in. Click on that, and then now we need to click on the button. Well, before we do that, let's go ahead and build out the rest of this main page. Legal information, you can type in whatever you want to, you can hide it. I'm just going to hide it. Privacy image, I'll just leave the privacy image up there. Privacy text, we'll leave that. All right, so now let's go ahead and integrate with our autoresponder. Click on this, and here on the left-hand side, whatever autoresponder you integrated when you signed up, you can choose it from right here. I use Infusionsoft and Aweber and Get Response, and you can choose your list and all that from going right here. We'll just leave this as is. You can integrate with GoToWebinar. I don't use that, and you can register with Facebook. I don't use that as well. So just get customize form, and now we're integrated. So now all we need to do is just change this copy. For this, let's see. You can change the image, you can hide it. I'm just going to change that top bar. We don't really need it. Press OK. Again, if you wanted to put an image right here, you can put something. I'll just choose this one. Enter your email address below. You can change all this copy. That looks good. We'll go with that. Free report. Download the report. No, we're giving away a video. So we need to change this to watch video. You can, again, fully customizable. You can change all the letter spacing, all that good stuff, size, all that. Okay. Always press OK. And there we go. We have a squeeze page built. That is it. Now, what you want to do is save the page. Click on save, and we need to publish it. So we'll let this thing save. It says lead page saved, and now we need to publish it. You can publish it in 4 different places. Okay, you can just use this URL and let lead page host it, which I would recommend you doing. And you don't have to worry about getting hosting or anything if you don't already have it. If you do already have a website, so this will be the URL that you send out, by the way. This is it, okay? So let's go ahead and just view the page, and then I'll go over the other stuff real quick. There you go. You got a page. I click on the button, leave their email address, watch the video, and they're sent directly over to it. Pretty cool stuff, right? I should have chosen a different picture because this one actually does not fit the screen. So anyway, whatever. You can host it on WordPress. To do this, basically, let's say I wanted to host it on my PowerEliteTeam.com blog. I could host it there. You can get the plugin, which you download right here, and you can plug it in. And so instead of it saying SethJohnson.leadpages.net, it would be, for my example, PowerEliteTeam./Seth test. It just looks a little clearer and it looks more branded towards you. So that's something you could do. Yeah, the plugin's free, of course. Host it on Facebook. I don't use it, or you can host it on your own server. Again, that's something I don't use because I don't do the HTML stuff. But anyway, there you go. You have a squeeze page built in a few minutes, and I just want to show you how easy that was to do. So cool stuff. All right, let's go ahead and wrap up this video. So what you've done is you built a squeeze page in just a few minutes, and you saw how easy it is to do with a very, very small investment. Now, I love lead pages, and I do use lead pages a lot, but if you would like to use the system, the platform that I use to basically run 80% of my business through, you can do so by clicking on the link below this video, and you can learn more about it. And it gives me squeeze pages, it gives me autoresponders, it gives me all the training I need to run my network marketing, affiliate marketing, internet marketing business, and it's basically a one-stop shop. All right, so if you want to learn more about that, then click on the link below. If not, if that's not something you're interested in, no worries. Go ahead and check out lead pages. Or you can go over here to my blog and look at the training on the squeeze page builder, and I have more information about lead pages. All right, so there you go. Seth Johnson with PowerEliteTeam.com. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.